Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given the line y is equal to kx plus 4, and we're told that this line contains the point CD. And based off of this information, we're looking to find the slope of the line in terms of C and D. So the way that you find the slope is by taking 2 points. And we've already been given one, and through this equation, we actually know the other. This plus 4 here, right, if we're thinking about y is equal to mx plus b, this 4 is corresponding with b, which is the y-intercept. So therefore, the point 0, 4 is the y-intercept, which must be our second point. Now, when we calculate the slope, we have the change in y over the change in x. So if we want to call this point x1, y1, and x2, y2, so point 1 and point 2, the change in y is going to be y2 minus y1. The change in x is going to be x2 minus x1. And it doesn't matter which one you make point 2 and point 1, you just have to be subtracting from in the same direction. So going from this point to this point, and this point to this point. So we have y2 is 4 minus d over x2 is 0 minus x1 is c. Okay, so we have 4 minus d over 0 minus c is negative c. So this is our slope in terms of c and d. And you'll notice it doesn't line up with any of these exactly. And the reason that is because we have a negative c right here. So if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by -1, not actually changing the value, because if you think about this, we have this is our slope, and we're multiplying it by -1 over -1. This fraction is equal to 1, so we're basically just multiplying by 1. So on the top, we have -4 distributing, and then -1 times -d is plus d, and then -c times -1 is plus c. And then again, this doesn't look exactly right, but if we just switch this around, so we have -4 plus d is the same as d minus 4 over c. This is going to correlate with a, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.